hold on to God's unchanging hand. I remember a story that my late great-grandmother, she used to tell about two men that were going rock climbing and how one began to start up the rocks, climbing up on top of the mountain. And when he got halfway up the mountain, some birds started flying around his head, messing with him as he was trying to reach the top. And he reached behind his back pocket and pulled out his pocket knife. And he began to swipe at the birds to try to get them away from him. And in the midst of his swiping, he fooled around and cut his rope. Not to the point where the rope just severed, but it began to unwind very slowly. And he looked down at his friend down below. And he said to the friend, he said, "Man, I done cut my rope." And the rope, his friend looked back up at him and said, "Man, reach above the cut. Yes, sir. Grab hold to above the cut. Yes, sir. And hold on. Hold on. I tell you this morning, some of us got some cuts in our lives, whether you cause them or not. Sometimes the enemy causes cuts, but you got to reach above that cut and hold on. Hold